The Brooks Universal Block Replacement Assembly replaces antiquated meter socket blocks that could present safety or reliability issues, regardless of the meter socket depth. The first step is to measure the height of the existing meter socket jaws from the bottom of the pan. Remove the existing meter socket from the enclosure. This will be the height to adjust the universal block. 8 identical self-tapping screws are supplied with each block. Screw each of the 4 screws through the 4 tapped and threaded holes in the mounting plate. Adjust all 4 screws to achieve the desired height. The replacement block is ready for installation. To properly align the new block location, attach the screw location fixture to the ringless socket cover. Center the cover over the top of the screw location fixture. Tighten the 3 wing nuts securely. Place the cover onto the meter socket. The screw location fixture also includes a hook at the 12 o'clock position to enable the simple attachment to a ring socket. Adjust the fixture using the level indicator. Insert the supplied punch bit through the fixture. Firmly tap the punch. Repeat this procedure for the remaining screw locations. With the supplied bit, drill the 4 new block mounting locations at the punched locations on the meter pan. The 4 remaining bored holes align with the drilled holes. Insert the screw with the nut spun to the top through the top bored hole. Thread the screw into the corresponding drilled hole. Thread several turns to sufficiently bite into the metal enclosure. Repeat for the 3 remaining mounting points. Spin the nuts to the base. Finger tighten the nuts. The mounting block should be firmly mounted. Tighten the height adjustment screws or nuts on the mounting screws to ensure a firm mount.